Hello guys, today we are going to review about the Makibes G03 Plus wristband. These wristband from the Makibes. Before we start review, let me tell you a few things about this wristband. It has a GPS activity tracker plus IP68 water resistance. It also helps you to do climb, running, walking, cycling and more. First of all, let's unbox this Makibes G03 Plus wristband. The design of the box is really beautiful and its packaging is really good. What we have here are charging cable, a wristband, and this instruction book which is in different languages for different region. So this is our Makibes G03 Plus smartwatch. About the design of Makibes G03 Plus wristband. It's a fashionable design. It's come in the fiber process. You can see the rubber band and it has a beautiful color. It also come in three different color: red, blue and black. This one is red color or light purplish, you can say. It has a screen of 0.96 TFT color. The resolution of this wristband is 128 multiplied by 64 pixel. The size of screen is really good and you will see the content in outdoor too. They are really visible. And the bottom it has the heart rate sensor plus the two ports of for the charging. And on the clip it is written the Makibes. It's a really lightweight watch. The content of this wristband is clearly visible indoor and outdoor too. Let's turn it on. Welcome. Here you can see the content of this wristband is really clearly visible, and it also you can see it has the colorful display. It has two buttons from the right side and one is here a touch button. Okay, the other thing is it has the IP68 certified water protection smartwatch. You can use it anywhere, in any weather, in any environment. Let's talk about this feature of Makibes G03 Plus. There are the many features in this wristband. It has the heart rate sensor, it has the different sports options where you can see the different cycling, swimming, for the sleeping option, and there are also you can set this smartwatch where you can see your calories burning or you can monitor your health easily. It has the 230 mAh polymer battery. The Makibes smartwatch can run up to 120 hours with standby time of 480 hours. The good thing about this watch, it has the GPS time which run about to 6 or 7 hours directly from the satellite. You can connect this device to your smartphone and you can easily connect the GPS to this smartwatch. You can have all the option can be easily used with the Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your smartphone easily, and it also have the application you can download from the Play Store and easily can handle for the Android or in iOS. Here let me show you the few features of this smartwatch. Let's use this feature of walking. Here you can see the steps features of this smartwatch. You can run this by tapping this button easily. The steps, this will count your step easy. Here you can see the BPM, the heart rate sensor is working. You can calculate your heart rate you can monitor easily. And there's the option for the cycling. Okay, you can see the many features inside this watch. You can use them. Here you can set the kilometer for the running or the cycling to start. So this smartwatch has a different feature and it gives you the perfect quality and the protection from the water too. You can use it in a sport, hiking, or anywhere in any weather. Okay, you can charge this smartwatch easily by just connecting the charger. Here you can see it's a charger. You can connect under this wristband. Okay, it's connected, and you can just easily put the USB port inside any charger or okay, here you can see it's charging perfectly. The timer is really good, and you can easily disconnect this by tapping here. Yeah. So this is the Makibes G03 Plus smartwatch, and you can easily buy this smartwatch from the Geekbuying.com, and the price of this smartwatch is $39.99. You can download the application from the Play Store. This smartwatch is really worthy to buy, and it's really good and really nice in this price. It gives you the perfect quality and the excellent design. You can use many features, the pedometer, heart rate sensors, and for the health it's a really good. Here you can see the different features inside this watch. The GPS band has. Thank you very much for watching this video, and keep visiting our website igeekphone.com for more review. Thank you very much.